How to fix mic not working on PC. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what we're going to do is firstly go over to our volume mixer. So we're going to right click this volume icon and then go here. Make sure your input device is the correct one. So in my instance, this is voice chat mic, and you can also make sure the volume is set to 100. What I could also do is right click the volume icon again and go to sound settings. And then go over to input again, make sure the mic is the right thing. And if I need to pair a new input device, I can make sure the volume is, turned up to 100. And as you can see, whenever I'm speaking, it's going up. That's how you know it's working. So check to see that. And what I also want to go ahead and do is click this more sound settings option. Then go over to recording, find whichever microphone you want, right click it, and then you want to set it as default device and default communication device. And now I can double click it. And then I'm going to see a lot of options. Make sure the volume level is 100 over here as well. And you can leave this as it is. And yeah, once you're happy with that, you should be good to go.